Hello friend, welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you what is the function of keep and remove row. Now let's begin. So this is my data. Now we have to click on transform data and then I will show you this is my original data. First what I am going to do here, removing blank row. So for that, come to remove row, then remove blank row. Now all blank row gone. Now what we are going to do, keep 5 top row. So for that, come to keep row, then keep top row. So then number will, it will ask like a number, top 5, top 4, whatever. So at present I am going to keep 5. So just going to click on here. So now see, top 5 is there, remain gone. So I'm just going to click on back. Now I am going to show you similar way, remove top 5. So in this way I will go remove top row and then we can write here 5 or 6, whatever it is your requirement, and click OK. So now see, top 5 has gone, remain is our hand. So that's all for this video. Catch you in next video. Thanks for giving your time. Please like and subscribe this video.